You can make this little antique looking table from a single 2x4. Rip 1/8 of an inch from both sides of the 2x4. Resaw it into 1x4s. Cut the first 1x4 to length. Glue up the frame, 10-inch parts on the outside, 5.5-inch parts inside. Screw from the 10-inch side. Glue the box to 3 top 12-inch slats. Flip it over and screw from the top. Set your miter saw to 7 degrees. Cut 4 14-inch legs. Glue and clamp them to the frame. Flip the table over and screw them from outside. Rip the last 12-inch part to 2.5 inches and the last 1x4 part to 1.5 inches. Cut the 1.5 inch board at a compound 7 and 45 degree angle. Glue and clamp them to the frame. Wedge the 2.5 inch part on top. Pre-drill and screw it from under. Sand all the edges and connections to perfection. Stain it your favorite color. Protect it with 2 coats of wipe-on poly. All done. Subscribe for more.